Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to check your tube, your wheel tube of a bicycle tube. Okay, in this case, the tube is disassembled and this tube is running out of air. That's not good. But first step, we have to take a look why the air is floating out. For this, we will pump it a little bit up, only 2 or 3 strokes, and then we will use a box of water and we will get inside the water with the tube and we are going to see where the damage of the tube is. Okay, let's start. Push it inside. As you can see, it do not have to be a clean water, it's only water. That's important. Because of that, we are able to see where the cut or the hole will be. Okay, let's have a look. And do not forget to check the valve. That's important. First step, every time, take a look at the valve and press the valve under the water and have a look what's happened next. Okay, let's have a look. Press it underwater, please. And oh, there it is. Bubbles are running out of the valve. Whoo! That's the main failure of this tube. The air is floating out. Okay, what's next? So the first step is we will replace the valve. It's a Dunlop or Woods valve. So we rotate this cover plate off and now pull on top of the valve and it's out. Good job. Now we are going to replace it and after this we will test it again. This is every time the first step. Do not give your tube in the trash. Only check before. That's important because this valve is so cheap, really cheap. And it's so easy to replace, as you can see. Okay, the fingers are too fat in this case. Push it in and then cover it up and inflate a little bit of air again. Only 2 or 3 strokes. That's enough to test. And then we are going to check again underwater. And if there are not coming out some bubbles, the valve is okay. And we are able to build in the tube again and we will go back on the road again. But now first we have to check again, push it underwater and have a look what's happened next. Yeah, let's have a look. And oh yeah, no bubbles are running out. Good job. Easy as you can see. Good job. Now reassemble it and job's done. Oh yeah, good job, man. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time, okay? Soon. Another tip, you do not have to disassemble your tube. Oh, the first step every time, check the valve. And after this, you are able to check the tube itself. But first step, if the tube is assembled, replace only this little part and this will work proper. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and see you next time again. Soon. Oh yeah.